Okay, guys. So as you guys can see, we have about 3 minutes to go. I'm gonna try to purchase this token here, RothsCoin. The one thing I don't know about RothsCoin is because like I purchased on other tokens. You're gonna see me just try to type some numbers in here while I'm talking. But what I'm gonna show you guys is that I have purchased from other tokens, and anytime that the timer updates and the price updates, then what you previously typed in does not work. Okay, so let me give you an example. With Regal or Hextra, if you try to purchase at one point and Hextra's price changed on you, and let's say you're trying to buy 1,000, but you only have enough to buy 999.9, it will reject your order. Okay, so what I wanted to do was I wanted to have it in 3 different columns. I wanted one for Bitcoin, that you guys can see I'm highlighting Bitcoin and its price. I wanted to have another tab for Ethereum and have another tab for the price and the timer in case it ever runs out. I wanted to make sure that I had enough for each one because the price keeps going down. As you currently can see, it keeps going less and less and less for me to be able to buy. So I went from being able to buy like 1,215, I think at one point, to now being like 1,000, like 120. And obviously it's one of them is like 708. See here, my Bitcoin, I can purchase 708 using Bitcoin. Let me just make sure the price is right here. I have 1 minute to go. And then for Ethereum, let's get that one started. I think it's about 3 something. So 319, no. And then we're gonna say about 3. Okay, let's try 4. Okay, so it's 4 is a little bit off. So 390, what is that? 9? That looks about right. Okay, so I could buy about 399 of these. Okay, so we're gonna use Ethereum on that tab, and then this one again is for the timer. And as you guys can see, the prices have not changed just yet, but we'll keep that updated. And as you guys can see, 44.45 Ethereum and 0.03 for my Bitcoins. And you can see the price just updated a little bit, but I don't know exactly the update. So I have 319. You divide that by 80 cents. I should get 398.75. So the price just changed, and what I can purchase is 398.75. So, and then with Bitcoin, I have $566.67. So we'll just do 566.8 is 707.5. So I'll end up with about I think it's like 1,100 and some change, right? So yeah, we're getting close down to it. This is me trying to purchase this token. I wanted to make sure that we stayed updated. We got 20 seconds left. I want to just see what happens if I type in everything early. You know, I have done this. Okay, so it's still $3.99. So we'll just press it early. Okay, 12 seconds to go. We'll wait a little bit just in case. Okay, 8 seconds to go. As you guys can see, about 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it. And processing. Hit it again. All sold out. That was super weird. I didn't understand that. How did that all sell out in 1 second? All of it says try again in 8 hours. That's really crazy. Let's see if I can buy normal. Actually, I don't want to buy normal. I didn't mean to press that. Yet I'm still typing. Sorry. Okay, so the price is different. Obviously for normal, it's 1 for 1. So market. It says NA. Let's just try it one more time with Bitcoin instead of for Ethereum. Click on buy. Again, 8 hours from now. As you guys can see here, 27 people purchased 135,000. So there's still some left. Okay. So again, it's still not letting me purchase the $3.99 that I wanted to purchase. And just trying more and more to purchase this again, $3.99. I have enough. Still says it's sold out, which is crazy because it's still a lot left. Okay. So 8 hours to the next block, which is, again, I can't believe it. So 27 people purchased 136,000. That's an average about 5,000, right? And then most of them purchased on the regular market. Not many people purchased with normal, which is okay. So Okay, so I noticed this little market here. And on this market here, you guys can see there's some more orders here. So 5 for $5. So let's just see. I typed in an order. As you guys can see, I had some amount of money. So I want to try to see if I can show you guys how to make a order using Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so you guys can see the orders here. So that's how many I own. I own 0, right? I already put my order in, and it's not down here at the bottom. It's somewhere in here, and I can't find it inside that little mix. But you guys can see my Bitcoins went down. My US dollars went down for Bitcoin because I typed in information in here. So 708 is what I had typed in, but I'll type in 705. I should be able to buy 500 and whatever. It says I don't have enough to purchase using that. Okay. So we'll try to purchase just with the Ethereum. Okay. So that's 319. You press the buy button. So this is how you buy on the market if you're using normal. Okay. It says I don't have enough Bitcoin and Ethereum, which makes it even more weird because as you guys can see, okay, I don't have 319. Okay. So it's 318. So what we'll do is we'll just type in the buy. So this is how you purchase if you are using the market and you're not, I'm sorry, you're using normal. Okay. I just want to show you guys how to purchase using normal. Later on in my video, I'll explain to you guys why you want to be doing this if you're not using more than $150. Okay. Or I should say $159. So if you're not using more than $159, as you guys can see here, you can pause it if you need to. But you can see it's trying to use my Ethereum and Bitcoins, but I don't have enough Bitcoins. So once I press this order to create, it's not going to create it, and I'll show you why, which is kind of weird because it should just create it with just my Ethereum, but it won't. So there it is. Not enough to buy Bitcoin. Not enough Bitcoin to buy. So yeah, so that's not going to work, obviously, right? So it says $319 still, but I want to show you guys that inside the white paper, right? I don't know why I just did that. Inside the white paper, it says, okay, scroll back down. Let's go back into the white paper. Or not. Sorry about that. I'm actually recording over this video because I forgot what I had did here. Okay, I checked the white paper and I noticed that the white paper said 800 and something thousand will be sold. So what I want to do is I want to see how did these people buy, these 27 people buy. So right now I'm just checking to see how they got in. So I'll check my orders. This is my order on the market. So if you use the marketplace, this is how you use it to place an order with using the market price. Okay, I'm showing you guys here. Using the market price, you want to type in the amount you're looking to buy. I'm sorry. The amount you're looking to use. Because look, I'm typing in the amount I want to buy, but I didn't notice that was for the Ethereum amount. Okay, so this at the top is actually not how many I'm looking to buy. It's just how much Ethereum or Bitcoin you have. So this is how many Bitcoins I have, 0.45. Right, I'm just going to show you guys really quick, 0.45. And then I should be able to buy 398,000. I'll paste my code in here in a second. Actually, I don't have it copied. So let me go copy it and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to paste my code in here. Again, refresh just to make sure we got it all up to date. Put the information back in for Ethereum, 0.45. Okay, so I'll be able to buy 398.4, blah, blah, blah. Paste the code in there. Success. Now, if I scroll down, I'm going to save that password so I don't have to do it again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down so you guys can see my order has just been placed. So this is the order and how to order for the next block. Okay, and as you guys can see, I didn't get my Bitcoins back. So I'm going to do that now. Go get my Bitcoins from the menu, and then you go down to where it says market. And then inside market, not market, I'm sorry, down in transactions, you go down to order. As you guys can see, I can't get down there. You go down to order, and then once you're down in order, you press cancel on it. All right, so this is me showing the market. to purchase. So again, this is a 1-for-1 ratio. As you guys can see, it's like an internal market is already open. This is the sell orders. I just wanted to show you guys that really quick. So you got the buy and the sell orders already here, as if the marketplace already works. So I know a lot of you guys are thinking, right? So you guys were on RothsCoin.ico, right? Basically, I'm giving out this information now before the timer runs out. Hopefully you guys are able to get to this information before the timer does run out. But I wanted to show you guys that we all made a huge mistake, okay? RothsCoin is not like the others, okay? It's not exactly what it seems. So when you go to buy RTC, which is the RothsCoin, I want you guys to notice something. So you see I have 0. So I didn't make the cut in the first round. And right here, it would show 27 people, 135,000 were sold. And then they brought in about $800 and something thousand or something, 900 something. I forget how many it was, thousands. But they brought in a good amount, right? So that information you guys saw from the previous part of my video, but I wanted to make sure that we're all on the same page here. Okay, so from the video, you saw me type it in here, 399 or whatever the case may have been, but that was wrong. What I need you guys to see is if you go to menu, go to office. Okay, if you're going to be using, and look, I want to show you guys, look, I got 0 and 0. If you're going to be using less than $160, this is where you go. You go to market, click on it twice or 3 times or 4 times or 5 times. However many times you got to press market, it opens. Click on maybe the letters, it opens, okay? This is where you're going to type your money in. Let's say you have $150, okay? $150. Right now, it is 1-for-1. You have $150, you want to buy 150 of them for $150. So this is 150 Roth tokens over here, right? For $150. You press the buy button. This little window will pop up. Not this one in particular, but it'll be another window. I'm pretty sure I have a video of me opening that window for you guys so you guys can see. Once you press OK, it will fill in down here, okay? These are the people that are looking to buy. So their marketplace seems to already have some sort of action. Okay, you can actually click on sell if you have this many and you're willing to accept that price. Okay, so look at this. Someone's saying that they'll take 200 for only $5. They're never going to be able to buy because the price will never become that. Okay, what you need to do is you need to do what they're asking you to do, is the 1-for-1. Okay, these are never going to go through. They're just never going to go through because that's not the current price, and nor are these sellers that are down here, which could be you if you decide you want to sell, willing to sell at that current price. Look at this, 1 for 500. So they're going to give you 100 at the price of $5. You can buy that right now if you want. And this is a $10 offer, and this is a $100 one. So you can see people are willing to sell what they currently bought. But you see this guy, these people are just ridiculous. There's no way they're going to be able to buy at these ridiculous prices. I'm just sorry. This is not going to happen because we're not going to sell it, and the website's already saying that they're selling it at $1. So if you're not on this list, okay, at a 1-for-1, you will not purchase. That's just facts, okay? Next, if you're not buying a 1-for-1 and you have $160 and you're looking to buy 200 or more, this is where you go. Transaction. You go to order, right? So we missed this part. This is the part where me and you miss. And when I say me and you, it's because I don't have any from referrals. None of the people in my referrals have any, okay? So you type in how many you had. Remember, I had 0.03. If I purchase right now, I would get 706 tokens with my 0.03. Okay, I had Ethereum as well. So let's just put in how much I had for Ethereum. 0.45. You see that? I would get 410 Ethereum for my Ethereum. That would give me like 111 or 12 or whatever it was. As you guys can see here, here's my order. December 18th, I put that order in 24 minutes after I realized, crap, I did the wrong thing. Same thing, 20 minutes after I realized, crap, I did the wrong thing. 400 is what I'll get. 707 is what I'll get. Okay, it's close to 400. So I'll get about 1,100 and some change, maybe less. Okay, 1,015 or something like that. And here's the two that I'm ordering. Look at this. Look, processed in next block. So the next time they're going on sale at 80 cents, I will be able to purchase without even having to do anything. I will do a video to show you guys that it went through. Other than that, you guys need to make sure that you're putting your information in here if you're buying more than 200. Once you put the information in here, it's going to ask you for your passcode. I'm not going to type the passcode in here, but then it will ask you, are you sure? You then press OK, and then you finalize the order. Hopefully I have a video of me doing this prior. I am videotaping before I know if the video is there or not. So I'm going to put this together, send this out now. Hopefully you guys are able to catch this. Hope you guys are able to like, comment, subscribe. Join us in Telegram. You can share if you know anyone that you've recommended personally that did not have an opportunity to purchase, and you want them to have the information for purchasing and you want them to have it as soon as possible. Please share the video with them. But if you didn't refer anybody, I do recommend again sharing, given the fact that I think that you might want to pick up your own referrals. And if you do share, I will pick up those referrals for you because they will use my link down below. Any questions, don't forget to comment them, like, subscribe, and share if you want, but definitely join us in Telegram. Again, the sooner you do it, I just want to point this one thing out. The sooner you do it, the more they're worth. Like right now, my 0.45 Ethereums is 410. As you guys can see, I lost 20 by doing this as soon as I saw that I could do it. And as you guys can see, Ether went up. Bitcoin went up as well. I had 0.03. And we'll put that in here as well. So as long as Bitcoin is up, they don't care when you place the order because you automatically lose this. There's no way to cancel it. So I got 707. So it's about the same, but as you guys can see, 0.8 or whatever, it went up a little bit. Last but not least, if you place an order on the market and you didn't mean to, okay, you can go to not transactions, it's actually underneath. It says history. You go here where it says order. Okay, this is where I put this is how I learned about the market one. You put your order in here. I cannot cancel this order, but if you do one on the market, you can cancel your order. Okay, just wanted to point that out for you guys. If you do one on the market, you can press cancel to cancel your order. If you do one not on the market, you cannot cancel your order. So if you're looking to do 250 and you accidentally typed in the wrong number and you're only buying 50, and now you're going to be underneath that 200 mark, or 55, and now you're underneath the 200 mark, and now you're going to be losing money because now you have to put it on the market. You cannot cancel it. You know what I mean? But you can cancel it if you do it on the market. So for you guys that are looking to purchase, that's the information right there. Any questions, comments, definitely like, definitely subscribe, and you do not, again, have to share.